Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you my curly hair routine, so stay tuned. Okay, so what I use in the shower is Smooth Sexy Hair shampoo and conditioner. I have been using these recently and I actually love it. Let me back up a little bit. It's made with coconut oil, and which is so important. Sorry if my hair is just dripping. It's just like really wet. Yeah, so it's made with coconut oil, and so my hair is really smooth when I use it and really soft, so that's why I love it. Also, these are on sale and they're only $12. So if you want to go try it out, I suggest you try it out because they're on sale. So they're not that expensive. So yeah, this is what I used when I washed my hair. And then also another thing that I used after. So I use this. This is it's called Whipped Curls Daily Conditioner and Primer. Restores curls, moisture, and softens. So I just leave this in for 3 to 5 minutes. I put like a generous amount and put it all like over my hair, and it makes my hair soft too. I love that. Like, that's the most important thing. If you have curly hair, it's so hard to maintain. My hair gets dry easily, and I feel like that happens a lot, especially with curly hair. You always have to hydrate your hair, keep it hydrated. Use a lot of conditioner. I use so much conditioner, like my conditioner bottle is always gone so quickly. So this is really good. So yeah, I just leave it in for 35 minutes, put my hair in a clip, and I just continue washing my body while, it's like soaking in my hair. Okay, so my hair my hair kind of dries pretty quickly. I do have a past. So I used to wear extensions. I'm trying not to anymore. I think I should back up. So I'm trying not to wear extensions as much. It's summertime, so I really want to keep my hair healthy and work on it, trying to make it healthy, because over the past few years, I did the Brazilian like 3 times to my hair. I always put heat on it. I wanted it pin straight. I was in that phase where I just didn't want my hair curly. I liked straight. That's all that mattered. So that's why I did the Brazilian 3 times, and then after that, my hair got so damaged, broke off, got super short. So it got so much better right now. It's like so much better right now. And I'm trying to grow it out and just have it healthy and just embrace my natural hair. So what I use to, like when I want to have my hair down or something like that, this is also the OUIDAD. This is great for climate control, anti-frizz. So us curly hair heads, the humidity always like affects our curls, and it's always frizzy because of the humidity and all this. Well, if you use this, I'm telling you, it's not going to affect that at all. Your curls are going to still be nice, not frizzy. So that's why I use this, and it's amazing. It like defines my curls. Like, it's so beautiful. So I use this, and I will be doing like sections of my hair and like putting it in and combing it while I do it. So yeah, I will show you guys how I do it and how it comes out. So if you are curious on how it comes out, please keep watching. So it's nice and wet right now. I'm gonna add this. So I add, like a generous amount on my palm. It doesn't really matter the amount, to be honest. It just has to, see, it's like jelly. So you just go like this, comb it within your hair. Make sure you also get the roots literally everywhere in your hair so it could work. Okay, so I want to show you guys how it's looking so far. See that? Just keep on scrunching. So this is how it looks from the back. Alright, so that's it. That's all I do. I just use literally this gel and it makes my hair amazing. So I will see you guys in a couple minutes. I just want my hair to dry and then I want to show you guys the final result. Hey guys, I'm back! So pretty much it's kind of like 80%, no, I lied. Yeah, like 80%. Like it's just a little moist, but it's kind of like mostly dry, I guess, but this is it. You see how it like defines my curls and it's like, it's so beautiful and they're like bouncy. And I love how it's not crunchy or like anything like that. It's just like soft. I mean, it's a little bit like crunchy, but like it's not like stale, like hairspray or anything like that. So this is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah.